Hey guys, it's me, Chillikill, back for another YouTube video where today we're playing some more Battle Cats, and here we go, we're gonna hop right in. So, I'm gonna do my daily logins, get all this stuff, and as you can see I do have a bit more, I've not been feeling the greatest the past few days, that's why I haven't been posting much. As you can see I have been getting my daily logins and whatnot. I got 8 basic cats, well, cat capsules. I have 3 rare ones, and I have over 1,000 cat food. So right now they have a thing where each draw gets you 1 lucky ticket. So we're going to start out by going here, and if I don't get an uber super rare, we'll see. Um, hold on. Hold on. Alright. Uh, what? I got an uber super rare. What one did I get? I got the White Knight Cyclops with a 5% chance. What? Quickly put you into use. Yes, I will unlock you. Thank you. Okay, well, we have 2 more to go. Hopefully we can be as lucky. Most likely not. Gardner, I'm guessing. Cool. Got Gardner. Okay, so now we get Boxer, I'm guessing. Oh, weightlifter. Okay. And just for a fun little activity, I'm even gonna spend 75 to get 11, to get an 11 draw. Did I already have this one? I might have. Weightlifter. This is weightlifter. Okay, Rockstar, I'm guessing. Oh, Rocker. Okay, I already have this. Salon Cat. Rare. Okay, Gunslinger, are you... Nope, you're not the uber rare. Main reason I want to spend that to get this is because there's an uber rare coming. I don't care if you're not my uber rare, I don't care. I don't care, you're not the uber. I want the uber. And some of these look really sweet. Oh, that's cool. I'm happy now. Okay, so we got 11 tickets. Oh, dang. I actually wanted the Akira now that I look at it. That would have been cool to get, but that's okay. And how long is this one gonna be? Nah, it's fine. Yeah, okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. You can get... Okay, so you we're going to use... Yes. So, wait, can I get new ones? Use all, yes, okay. Exchange all of you for XP, yep. Now we have all these ones. So we're going to unlock all 8. I had 8 of them. We have the cow. I already have you. Oh wait. I thought I did. I could have sworn I did. Okay, I don't want... Okay. Cool. Charge. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna basically go over all these when we're in the thing. Okay, so now if we go into here, we go into new, unusable, there we go. And now to Lucky Capsule. We have 15, so we're gonna do a 10 summon. Tallcat. Oh, Lil Gross Cat. I already have this one. Are these all little? Oh, that's funny. If these are all tiny ones, that's gonna be funny. I don't think I have you though yet, even the regular version. I might have the Titan Cat. Let's get the last 5 done. Okay, we got speed up. Ooh, XP. 10,000 XP. Ooh, I got a chest. You gotta be kidding me. These are funny, but not funny at the same time. I don't really see me using them much. If they are just miniature versions of the actual cats, I don't see me using them much. Okay. Well, we are now 7 minutes into the video and just done with the draws. So yeah. But also, yeah, Zombie Cat, I also upgrade to Devil Cat. Okay, so we got you, 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 you. We got you, 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 and you. Oh, okay. I didn't. Oh, it's you. Okay. I still like this. This is gonna be cool. Yeah, I'm gonna equip you right away. I'm gonna equip that right away. Uber Supers. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna equip you. I'm going to then upgrade it. Because I'd love to see what you can actually do when upgraded. Ooh, Black Knight. Okay, I could upgrade you a lot more than I was thinking I was going to be able to. Okay, back. Where's the other one that's in use? I have another one that's in use. But it's not. Oh, wait. Okay, you. Okay, so. Paris Cat. Not Shaman. I didn't want to upgrade Shaman Cat. You're just new. Crap. Dang it. Well, only one in my team now that's not upgraded fully is you, which puts you at a slight disadvantage for getting used, I guess. He's a level 6. I cannot get Shaman Cat, never mind. Okay, so. But one thing I want to do, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And now we're going to hop into a new one. I don't know what this is going to actually do, or what I've got to worry about. I'm not too worried though. Now anyways, for the Demon Cat, it is pretty much the same as the Zombie Cat was. Just stronger, obviously. Attack is the same. Now, but what I want to see is I want to see what the Black Knight can do. That will be awesome to see. You guys better not destroy them like I think you're going to. You guys better let the Black Knight get out here. Okay, so I don't think I have to worry much. You can share. Thanks, son. I want to see what he can actually do. He has a little cat right on the end of his staff. That's funny. Oh, cool. So he uses gun, shoots the target, and then he does that. Not the best. That'd be more for crowd control, I'd think. Because it seems like a good knockback source. Yeah, so I guess we'll see what the other new Uber Rare does. See which one I like better. Okay, let me just quickly see if I can upgrade the new one at all. Even one is better than nothing. So yeah, I don't really care. Okay, so. Oh god, how stupid am I? I'm trying to invade Russia in the winter. I hope these cats know that they aren't gonna survive. There's one thing everyone knows, you do not invade Russia in winter. Oh, God. Dang. Kill the penguin already. Well, I guess we may actually have a real reason to use... Oh, God. Okay, now I will be able to use it. Never mind, I'm fine. Please keep pumping stuff out. I really am not in the mood to deal with needing to do one more. You better not kill it. I will beat every single one of you. Okay, good. Kill them all. Oh, that's actually kind of cool looking. I like that. They have some really cool looking cats, and I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, you're a heavy hitter, aren't you? Now we can just do this. And now we'll just start spamming things down, getting everything I need. Well, okay guys, I think I'm going to leave this video here. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button. And I'll see all you guys in the next video. Goodbye.